Hi everybody, welcome to Peter Science Academy. Okay, thank you for your patience. Okay, today I'm going to teach you or give you an idea of shifting of the graph. Okay, looks like this fx graph looks like this curve like that. Okay, we are very familiar y equal 2x plus 1. Also another expression is instead of y we're going to use f of x or fx. Is 2x plus 1. It's the same thing. So sometimes we use a y, sometimes we use fx. The same meaning. Okay. Now I'm talking about the original graph looks like this. Then x is replaced by minus x. What happened to the graph? Okay, that means in your exam fx is replaced by f of minus x right there. Minus right there. They're going to ask you what is the graph looks like. So I'm going to give you an idea. A simple location, we're going to use 3 and 4. Okay, you are very familiar with 3 and 4. Okay, look, y is the same right there, but x is 3, x is minus 3. That means x is replaced by minus x. That's the meaning of this. That's why fx changed to f of minus. What happened to this? From this graph, from this location, once you see this one, this location is over there. That means this location is flipped around the y-axis. Okay, then it's going to be f of minus x. So fx graph looks like this, right? Once you flip this one right there around the y-axis, is this one right there. F of minus x is this. Okay, this dot line is original graph. Okay. Okay, another idea is same as y is replaced by minus y. Okay, or in the exam fx is minus fx. What happened to the graph? Okay, I will show you again. Okay, then initial location is 3 and 4, right? Then y is replaced by minus y. X is just the same. Then what happened? Okay, this location is flipped or rotating around the x-axis. Okay, so this is the original graph right there. Turn around about the x-axis will be. This is the original graph right there. Turn around the x-axis will be this one. So this graph is minus f of x or minus y. It's the same meaning. Okay, same thing. Next one is combination of x and y. X is replaced by minus x. Y is replaced by, oops, this should be minus y. This is minus, what happened? Same idea. Initial location is this, right? So x is replaced by minus x. Okay, minus 3. Y is replaced by minus 4. That means that is in a mirror image of origin. That means flip over there y-axis, then x-axis again. Okay, so thing is we have okay, so original graph is this one right there. This is original, right? Flip around the y-axis is this, right? This one right there. Yes. Then another, this one is turn around y-axis will be this one right there. So this graph is x is replaced by minus x, y is replaced by minus y, not x. I'm very sorry about this one. Okay, that's the graph. Make sure you fully understand. It's going to be in your SAT exam, because we're going to use this idea in the science and the economics too. Okay, next one is this. Y equal 2x. Okay, 2x plus 2x, right? So this one is right there. Slope is 2. That means from here to the right one direction plus 2 up. Okay, that is the slope. 2 means 2 over 1. So 1 x direction, 2 up. That's the meaning. Okay, now thing is, x is replaced by x minus 3. Okay, so x is replaced by x minus 3. Make sure instead of x right there, I'm going to use x minus 3. 2 times parentheses of x minus 3. Not simply x minus 3. Parentheses holding minus 3. So this is going to be, or this is going to be the same as 2x minus 6, right? That means original graph is 2x, right? Make sure move to your right 3. 3 step, right 3 step to the right. That's the meaning of this. X is replaced by x minus 3. That means move the graph x minus 3. You are not sure about this one? Put this graph in your, on the paper. Find out. Probably make sure this is going to be a plus every 3. Move to your right by 3. Okay. Make sure. One thing is x is replaced by x plus 3. That means this graph will move to minus direction. Minus x direction 3. Okay? Okay, next one is y is replaced by y minus 2. That is the same idea. Let me close up this one. That means original graph right there. Original graph y2x. Move up positive 2y direction. That's why every line is moving up, 2 up. So instead of y is replaced by y minus 2, right? So instead of this, we're going to write down y minus 2x. Or you are familiar with move this part over there. Y is 2x plus 2. Probably in your exam, they will show you this on what is this meaning. Move this over there, y minus 2, right? That means move the original graph to positive y direction. Make sure. Also same. This one is, y is replaced by y minus 2. That means moving downstairs. That's okay. Moving down minus 2. Okay. Third thing is x is replaced by x minus 3, and the y is replaced by y minus 2. What happened? Okay. Very simple kind of combination. This is original graph, right there. I'm going to use the origin for easy. So move to the right to x direction 2. No, I mean 3. Let me see. Oh, I'm sorry. X minus 3, right? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm going to give me a second. I'm going to fix the problem. Okay, sorry about that. I fix it. That means move the graph. X is replaced by x minus 3, y is replaced by y minus 2. That means move the original graph right there, plus 3 to your right, and the 2 up. Okay? Same as x is replaced by x plus 3 and y plus 2. That means move the original graph minus 3 and 2 down right there, minus 2 down there. Okay, same thing, same as this before. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Okay, we're going to do a little vocabulary. Oops. Okay, 이거는 외우셔야 돼요. You have to memorize this one. Incipient. Incipient의 뜻은 beginning의 뜻이에요. 시작한다. Incipient. 그래서 incipient 하면 생긴다, 현상이 생기다 그런 뜻이에요. Precipitate. 이거는 생기기 전에 먼저 생겼다. 그래서 화학에서는 침전이 먼저 일찍 일어나는 거. 먼저. 그래서 이 뜻으로 쓰는데 precipitate는 일이 어떤 게 for example 하면은 뭐 전쟁이 언제 날 거라고 생각했는데 더 일찍 일어났다. 그러니까 더 악화돼서 일찍 일어났다. 그걸 precipitate라고 그래요. 그리고 뭐든지 생각한 것보다 일찍 됐다. 그러니까 precipitate. 이렇게 여기서 precipitate 여기서 나온 겁니다. 침전의 뜻이에요. 생긴다. beginning. 오케이. 여러분이 잘 아는 것 thin 가볍게 얇은 거죠. 여기서 나온 말이 attenuate. 이거는 thin에서 나온 말이에요. 희석한다 그런 뜻이에요. 그래서 tenuous 이거 희석한다 그런 뜻입니다. 그 다음에 이제 tenacious 이거 좀 조금 비슷한데 틀려. 이거는 여러분이 아파트를 갖다가 미국에서 아파트를 하면 돈 내고 계약하는 걸 테넌트라고 그래요. 거기 사면서 테넌트. 왜냐하면 테넌트는 거기 있는 동안은 건물주가 어떻게 하지를 못해요. 꽉 컨트롤을 잡고 있기 때문에. 그래서 테넌트 그러면 no I'm sorry. 오케이 tenacious 그러면은 굉장히 거기에 완고하다, 끈질기다 그런 걸 얘기해요. 그런 말이에요. tenacious가. 아파트 컨트랙할 때 tenacious 갖고 있다. 그 다음에 여러분이 이제 대학에서 교수가 이제 종신 그 잡으려다. tenure라고 그러죠. 이거 tenant에서 나와. tenant, tenacious. 완고하다, 아주 strong하다 그런 것입니다. illicit. 이건 외우셔야 돼요. illicit은 이렇게 bring out 하고 induce 그런 이게 뭐 끌어내다 그런 뜻이 illicit. 그다음에 illicit 이건 불법이라는 소리예요. 비슷해서 써봐서 이건 좀 외우셔야 될 겁니다. propitious는 proper가 뭐냐면 적당하다, favorable하다 그런 뜻이에요. proper. 그렇지만은 부동산 property는 그거하고 틀린 겁니다. proper는 좋다, favorable하다. 여기서 나온 말이 propitious. 그렇게 되는 겁니다. infringe는 뭐냐 하면요. 이 fraction에서 fraction은 영어를 fraction이라고 그래요. 분수를 fraction이라고 그래요. 그러니까 나누는 거죠. fraction은 몇 분의 몇 나누는 거. 그래서 나누니까 브레이크가 되는 거예요. 그래서 infringe 그러면 infringe upon, infringe on 그러면 무슨 법을 갖다 어겼다 그런 뜻으로 쓰는 겁니다. 이거랑 비슷한데 impinge, 이건 impinge 그러면 이거는 impact를 얘기해요. impact나 뭐 influence 영향을 준다. 이 핑의 뜻이 뭐냐면 우리가 어는 틀리지만 핑퐁할지 그 충격을 줘서 때리잖아요. 그거를 생각하시면 돼요. 그래서 influence, impact. 오케이? stale은 싱싱하지 않은 걸 스테일이라고 그래요. 그래서 stalemate 그러면 이게 진퇴양난됐다, 이렇게 deadlock 됐다 그런 뜻이에요. 움직이지 않는다. 그 다음에 store는 그런 뜻이 아니고 store는 마구 가는 스토리라고 그래요. 그 다음에 뭐가 망가져서 안 가는 것 같다. store 이걸 외우셔야 됩니다. Thank you.